I tell you what, we have the lead story for you, so here we go. Longtime sports administrator and attorney at law, Christopher Samuda, is now getting set to take over the reins of the Jamaica Olympic Association for the next 4 years. This after defeating Vishu Tolan 20 votes to 16 at Tuesday night's elections at the offices of the JOA. Karen Madden was there.
The mood ahead of the 5 o'clock annual general meeting showed no signs of the tension which had been rising in the last 48 hours leading into the elections. Candidates and the delegates greeted each other in a public show of camaraderie. An hour after voting began, word emerged from the tightly guarded boardroom that the Jamaica Paralympic Association head would lead the JOA. Immediately after his election, Samuda addressed members of the media who had gathered at the Cunningham Avenue headquarters. Samuda, who served as Secretary General at the JOA under Mike Fennell, says there will be changes.
It's a new dawn, but we will build on the institutional integrity for which the JOA is known. There will be changes in the interest of sport, but those changes will be seamless.
The new JOA head was also full of praise for long-serving President Mike Fennell.
And also the unwavering interest in the development of the Olympic movement, not only in Jamaica, regionally and internationally. I want to thank also the members of the board, those who supported me, those who did not support me. I want to thank all of the member associations, those who supported and those who did not support. The movement is now unified. We will move towards our goals as a team.
So after 40 years, the Jamaica Olympic Association has a new boss. Christopher Samuda, who is also president of the Jamaica Paralympic Association, is joined in the JOA leadership by all the members of his slate. First Vice President is Nelson Chris Stokes, who fended off the challenge of J3's President, Dr. Warren Blake, 25-11. J3's General Secretary, Garth Gale, is Second Vice President after getting by Martin Lynn, 29-7. Alan Beckford steps into the role of General Secretary after defeating Marva Bernard, 28 votes to 8. Jamaica Badminton Association boss Nicole Case is the new treasurer after defeating long-serving treasurer Compton Rodney 25-15. Netball Jamaica president Dr. Paula Daly Morris, who ran as an independent director, failed to secure a vote. The rest of the executive comprises directors Yvonne Kong, Robert Scott, Raymond Anderson and Laurel Smith. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.
Meanwhile, outgoing JOA President Mike Fennell believes that the organization's future is in good hands. Fennell says he will be ensuring that the transition will be a smooth one.
Next?
Yes.
What next?
Yes.
I don't know. I still have a lot of things doing in sport, so I continue to do those things. But the first task is to assist with the transition and to the transfer of knowledge to the next group so that it can get on with the work as best as possible. This is a democracy people have chosen, and they're all sports people, so we will get on with the job now.
And Fennell, who served for 40 years, was confident the campaign will be forgotten in the interest of the Olympic movement.
I'm sure they will. In the last 48 hours, a few things, people are getting nervous and energies are running high. Let's put that behind us and move on. This is the time now to see how we can put all hands on the wheel as a team and work for the betterment of sport.